Did you know that the global real estate market is projected to reach a staggering $4.26 trillion by 2025? That's right, folks. The real estate market is not just booming, it's exploding with opportunities for growth and profit. But how can you make the most out of this goldmine? Well, the answer is simple, yet often overlooked. Renovation. That's right, the key to unlocking the potential of your real estate investments lies in the power of a good renovation. It's like alchemy, turning lead into gold, or in this case, transforming an ordinary property into a high-value asset. Imagine this, you find a property in a prime location. It has good bones but lacks the charm and appeal that makes a house feel like a home. Now, you could just sell it as is and make a decent profit. Or you could choose to renovate, to breathe new life into the property and significantly increase its market value. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest in your backyard. Renovation is not just about slapping a fresh coat of paint or changing the window treatments. It's about understanding the potential of the property, recognizing its strengths and weaknesses, and enhancing its appeal to the target market. It's about adding value, not just aesthetically, but also functionally. When done right, renovation can transform a humble abode into a dream home, a rundown commercial space into a bustling business hub, a dilapidated building into a modern architectural marvel. The possibilities are endless, and the potential for profit is immense. However, just like any investment strategy, renovation requires planning, knowledge, and a keen eye for detail. It's not about following trends blindly, but about making informed decisions that increase the value of your property and give you a competitive edge in the market. So, are you ready to learn the secrets of renovation and unlock the potential of your real estate investments? Stay tuned. Consider the case of a small, unassuming bungalow in the suburbs, purchased for $200,000. It was a quaint little place with a white picket fence and a garden in need of some love. But beneath the surface, there was an untapped potential waiting to be unlocked. The renovation process began with a thorough assessment of the property. This is a crucial step as it helps to identify any underlying issues that might need addressing. In this case, the house was structurally sound but was in need of a cosmetic overhaul. First, the dated kitchen was given a modern makeover. Sleek granite countertops replaced the old laminate ones, and stainless steel appliances brought the space into the 21st century. The cost of this transformation was around $25,000, but the impact on the property's appeal was priceless. Next, the two bathrooms were updated. New fixtures, fresh tiles, and a coat of paint transformed these spaces from drab to fab. This added another $15,000 to the renovation bill, but again, the return on investment was significant. The house's exterior was not forgotten. The garden was landscaped and the facade was refreshed with a new coat of paint. This added not only curb appeal but also real, tangible value to the property. The total cost of the renovation was around $70,000. It may seem like a significant outlay, but it's important to remember that not all renovations are created equal. It's about investing wisely and adding value where it matters most. After the renovation, the bungalow was a far cry from its former self. It was a desirable property, attractive to a wide range of potential buyers. And when it came time to sell, the results spoke for themselves. After renovation, the bungalow sold for $350,000, a substantial increase in value. Now imagine what you could do with your property. Now, let's look at a different type of property, a downtown loft bought for $500,000. This loft, with its high ceilings and expansive windows, was brimming with untapped potential. But like any property, it also presented its own set of unique challenges. The open floor plan, while a selling point for some, needed careful planning and execution to ensure a cohesive design. To start, the existing flooring was replaced with polished concrete, a material that not only added a modern touch but was also durable and easy to maintain. The exposed brick walls were preserved, adding a rustic charm that beautifully contrasted with the sleek, modern interiors. The renovation team then focused on maximizing the loft's natural light. By strategically placing mirrors and using light hues for the walls and furniture, the space became brighter and more inviting. A custom-built kitchen island was added, serving a dual purpose as a preparation area and a breakfast bar, promoting functionality without compromising style. The loft's bathroom presented a unique challenge. Being small and windowless, it required careful planning. The renovation team installed a glass shower enclosure and used light tiles to make the space appear larger and brighter. But perhaps the most significant transformation was the creation of a mezzanine level. This additional space was used as a master bedroom, providing privacy and a unique viewing perspective of the entire loft. Through careful planning and execution, this downtown loft was transformed from a bare, open space into a chic, modern living area. The value of the property increased not just monetarily, but also in terms of its appeal to a wider market. This case study illustrates how a thoughtful renovation can dramatically increase a property's value. It's about more than just making a place look good. It's about enhancing functionality, maximizing space, and creating a home that people want to live in. With a selling price of $750,000 post-renovation, this loft is another testament to the power of renovation in real estate investment. So, what are the secrets of successful renovation? The first secret to successful renovation is understanding the market. It's not just about what you want in a property, but what potential buyers or renters are looking for. You need to stay updated with the latest trends and preferences. Is there a high demand for eco-friendly homes? Or are open-plan kitchens all the rage? By keeping your finger on the pulse of the market, you can ensure your renovations appeal to a wide audience. Next, let's talk about choosing the right property. Not every property is a diamond in the rough waiting to be polished. Some are just rough. Look for properties with good bones. A solid structure, a good location, and a reasonable price are key. You don't want to sink your money into a property that requires more work than it's worth, or one located in an area where properties struggle to sell. Now, on to the actual renovation. Making smart renovation choices is crucial. It can be tempting to go all out with high-end finishes and ultra-modern designs. But remember, you're renovating for profit, not personal taste. Stick to renovations that add value. Kitchens and bathrooms are a good place to start. They're often the first things buyers look at and can make or break a sale. You don't have to splurge on top-of-the-line appliances, but a fresh coat of paint, updated countertops, and modern fixtures can work wonders. Also, consider the property's functionality. Can you add an extra bedroom or bathroom? Is there potential for an outdoor living space? These are features that can significantly boost a property's value. Finally, don't forget about curb appeal. First impressions matter, and a well-maintained exterior can set the tone for the rest of the property. A fresh coat of paint, a manicured lawn, and a welcoming entrance can make a world of difference. Remember, the right renovation can transform a property and unlock its true potential. It's all about making smart, strategic decisions. So, are you ready to unlock the potential of your real estate investments through renovation? It's time to roll up your sleeves and start envisioning your dream property. Each of you has the power to transform a hidden gem into something truly remarkable. Whether it's an unassuming bungalow or a downtown loft, the possibilities are endless. And the beauty of it all? You don't need to be a real estate mogul or a millionaire to make it happen. All it takes is a little bit of creativity, a dash of determination, and a willingness to learn. You have already taken the first step by watching this video and educating yourself about the potential of real estate renovation. It's a journey filled with exciting opportunities and rewarding experiences. But remember, every journey begins with a single step, and that step is yours to take. If you're feeling inspired, why not take that step today? Start by exploring potential properties, sketching out your ideas, and planning your budget. Reach out to professionals for advice, be it architects, interior designers, or real estate agents. They can provide valuable insights and guide you through the process. And while you're at it, why not bring others along on your journey? Share your experiences, your ideas, and your progress. Not only will you be contributing to a community of like-minded individuals, you'll also be learning from their experiences and insights. It's a win-win situation. So, what are you waiting for? Start your renovation journey today. It's an adventure waiting to happen, a story waiting to be told. And who knows, you might just find that you have a knack for it. That unassuming bungalow or downtown loft could be the start of something big, something that could change your life. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to start your journey towards successful real estate investment. Remember, the potential is in your hands.